Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order groceries in Talabat. The first thing I want you to do is just launch the Talabat app, and then here on the home page we can see Talabat Mart, or you can see the grocery section. I'll choose Talabat Mart, it is much faster, and then you can scroll down here, you can shop by category as well. Let's say you want beverages. You tap here on beverages and then you add items to your cart. And of course, there's different sections under beverages as well. So let's say I want this Nesquik chocolate milk. I'll come here, click on the plus icon. And of course, you can add more quantities as well. You can scroll down, add anything else. Let's say we want Red Bulls. Click on the plus icon. Then once we have that in your cart, you can click here on view cart. And then all you need to do right here is scroll down. If you want to add anything else, you can add that. If you have any special requests, come here and input that. Otherwise, you can see your payment summary, any discounts applicable. If you have free delivery, you'll see that here. And then you can click on checkout. And this cart actually has age restricted items. So we'll come here, click on I'm over 18. You'll need to show proof when they're delivering it. If you have anything else to add that here. Otherwise, continue to checkout. And then all you need to do is make sure you've chosen your correct location. If not, then click here on change. And then go ahead and click here on add. Just go ahead and add your correct address. You can use the PIN, or you can come here, click on this icon to search for area or street name. Choose your payment option. So let's say you can either pay with Google Pay, or you can go ahead and add a card right here. If you have any tips to add, you can add that here, or you can pay via cash. If you have a voucher code, enter that here, click on submit. Otherwise, just come here and click on place order, and you'll need to verify your number if you have not done that already. But that is how to order groceries in Talabat.